Gupta, as you probably already know, I'm bringing you a little dual commentary gameplay. Maneuver 3, Domination on Dome. And obviously the dual commentary was with my partner, best friend, Raj Gupta.
Yeah, the A8 well.
Yeah, so say hello to YouTube, Raj Gupta. Okay, well, you can see a lot of Indian garbanzo beans today, so...
Yeah.
First Blood! Oh, yeah. And if you guys didn't know, this is a live commentary gameplay, using Audacity, Big Neep. Oh shit, they're behind us.
Done.
Dummy! Yeah, but I really hate strikers. Like, this guy right here is using it. Really hate it really hard. Because I just don't like them. They're so freaking annoying. Oh, yeah, drop shot for the win. Shit. Oh, what the hell, man? Oh, it's the freaking OMG bananas guy with his gay ass fad. Why do they call it the fad? It's like, oh, come on, man. I just spawned. You're like big fat nippers. So, yeah, guys, oh, wow. Freaking gay. Don't you guys hate when you get shot? Like you know, like your cursor's move and you get to re-aim it when... Really, man? Taking my kill, you sweaty. Obviously, he was camping there. God damn it, man. Hit campers. Hit campers! So many... Oh, fucking god. Yeah, guys, but I'm trying to commentate and play at the same time. Pretty hard if you guys haven't done it before. I used to do live commentary gameplays all the time, and I keep on getting killed now. I'm like 3 and 7, but I'm still doing the best on my team because I like Reapers. I'm gonna kill you, fucking. Go, Power Rangers! Yeah, but we're kind of getting our ass handed to us, but you know, we'll probably do better soon. Because we're Indian, man. And by the way, guys, I haven't said this, I don't think yet on this channel, but me and Raja and my Indian friends have an Indian YouTube channel. It's called Indie Clan, and right there, if you guys want to join it, just post a comment and post a comment of your PS3 name, and I'll friend you on PS3, and you can join our Indie Clan, yeah? So we can have fun together, yeah? And we always kick ass, yeah? So you guys can win every game.
Oh,
Did you get that guy's reaction? Yo, oh! Damn it, man, I was trying to keep my attack helicopter and get my payload, but I died. Here comes my attack helicopter! Oh, yeah, guys. Dying a lot. Like, I really hate Dome because you die so freaking much, but I also love it. Why is this attack? Dude, did you see how long that thing was shooting at me? It was like, rrrr. Yeah. Hopefully my attack helicopter will get a lot of kills. What did I just say? Attack helicopter. Yeah. So yeah, guys, a few tips for Dome that you probably already know is you really just don't want to stop moving. Like, you want to keep on moving around and taking the back routes. You don't want to go straight down the middle. You kind of want to take like back routes. You won't run into the firepower of the other team. If you know what I mean. Like I'm kind of like this. I'm running through the middle, but usually I go around through there, or the tunnels around the other areas. Oh damn it, man. Yeah, but guys, we're making a comeback. Oh yeah. Sweaty tips for the win. So Raj, give us a few tips and yeah. So I forgot about him. Like he should be commentating, but we're not very good at dual commentaries because I usually take the lead in them. Like I always interrupting. So Raj, what do you think? Say some stuff in this commentary.
What do you want me to say?
Just say something. Give tips and tricks to the YouTube.
Well, I don't really know. I mean, you can rub your knees to like motivate you as you're playing.
Or yeah. Or. Fucking gay faggot. Screw you. Or yeah. So guys, so this isn't the best dual commentary gameplay, but you know, it's pretty much, we're not very good at live commentaries, you know, it's better going solo. Bitch.
Or they're all running.
Sweater. Shit. Come on, damn it. This OMG Bananas guy is freaking pissing me off with his big sweaty chickpea. Fuck you. Fuck it. I'm not going to kill me with your... Oh, come on. I'm starting to climb up. Freaking... But guys, we are on our
Dude, why
tide.
does the A12 have like a 2-bullet magazine? Freaking
The what?
stupid. The A12 is like freaking 2 bullets in the magazine.
How many bullets?
Like 2.
Yeah, because it's rapid fire. Freaking game, fuck
I
it,
know,
I
but
hate
it's
this
so
stupid
freaking-
dome. Like every time, guys, I've been trying to get a good map for the... Or trying to get a game that hasn't started yet for my live commentary. And every time, it ends up on dome, like twice in a row now.
Oh,
And I get
Camper,
freaking
Camper.
butt-fucked in the ass. Because I hate domes so much. Like, you die so much. And there's really nothing that you can really do about it. Because they're
camping.
always coming through 2 ways. And like, it's so hard to keep flags. And sweaty as hell. Freaking Jewish couple. Jewish couple. Fuck you! God damn it. Hazuki. What the hell? I just spawned. It's another reason I hate, like, you always die when you're spawned. Freaking gay as hell. Or drop shot for them. Yes, we're hurting 2 flags, guys. Come back. Oh shit. Come on, man. Seriously. Just wanting to ruin my streak. My 1 kill streak.
Ernie,
Baby, are you brown?
there's good times right there.
Oh yeah.
Or yeah.
And guys, don't forget to subscribe. And if you subscribe, I'll send you in the mail your free turban. Yeah, free turban. Loincloth.
The softest cloth of all.
Oh yeah. Oh my god,
And if you're
seriously.
lucky, if we get
Gayest piece of shit.
if we get enough subscribers, we'll make our famous turban out of the famous Indian leather.
Yeah, Indian leather. My grandmother actually has some at home. Yeah, with that big red dot. Oh shit, still bummer. I must suck to die that way. Like in real life, if you got hit by a stealth bomber, like it's like oh yeah, beautiful day, and like stealth bomber out of nowhere. A suck winky way, winker's big way. Fuck you, guys! Don't let them capture B. Oh no, they're capturing B.
You're like 20 EMPs already. Stop using support.
I know, I hate support. It's so freaking gay. Ooh, ACR! Yeah, ACR, guys. Freaking the best gun ever. Double kill.
Nice.
Oh, triple kill feed.
Stop camping, bananas. Jesus Christ. I mean, Hindu Christ.
Oh yeah. Freaking OMG Bananas likes big meat in his mouth every day for breakfast.
Ernie,
Or came out of nowhere. God, the EMP is still going on.
that's obviously a fake crate right there.
Freaking hate EMP, I can't see anything. Oh, or EMP kill for the
Oh yeah,
long
street
range.
view.
Or yeah, on a streak
I
here.
did
Protecting B. Yeah, usually guys, I really suggest domination, but you know, I kind of hate it at the same time because the sponsor are scrooged up. But at the same time, it's really good because you can get like a ton of kills, like because you can protect your flag. You know what I mean? Baby, are you brown? Oh shit. I don't think this is. Let me see if this is a trap. No, I don't believe it. The recapturing Alpha. Shit. Baby, are you around? Indian man for the win. Freaking OMG Bananas likes big fat leap in his mouth. Freaking gay. I'm going to stick my big brown cock up his ass. Swear to Allah. And Hindu and everyone else. And Krishna. And Shiva. And Big Sweaty Chickpea.
Shivu as well.
Or yeah, Jadzilla, clear up that area. Or he missed the throwing knife. Aha!
I saw that.
Or you guys are quick kill. Aha! Victory for the Indian clan. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this live commentary gameplay. I think I got the final kill. Yeah, final kill. Or yeah, suck my winkle, Bananas. You suck dick, Bananas. Or yeah, there he is. Or yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this live commentary gameplay, dual commentary, and see ya later.